Yeah. Now, if you observe, what happens here is string builder we are going to see. So, string builder SB is equal to new string builder key of nothing. We'll empty and we'll say string builder. So, by default, string builder capacity, we read that. What is the capacity? It's not size, capacity. So it says how much the capacity it can defaultly handle. Okay, so what is that? It is a 16. Okay, so if it is a 16, so now what we will do? So now let us consider. We will have, yes, we need to add some data. We need to say append. Append will say hello, hello, hello. Okay. Yeah. So how many now? So every time its capacity will be same, but its size will vary. As you add the data, your size will vary. Okay, so every time it's same, but its size is the. So now we need to find out the size of the this one. We need to convert this into toString. Sorry, SB dot to sorry, this capital SB dot toString dot length. Now it will tell me the length. So what is the length? It is after 15. What is that? Unresolved compilation problem. Oh, some import came into picture. Okay. So now what happens? Sorry for that. So that is the length of the string, length of the given string. So now, in order to find out length of the given string, we should convert obviously to a toString. Where this toString method comes from? This toString method comes from object class. We had object class, right? So now again, so if you observe here, this string builder will be there. Now this string builder is a final class, okay, which extends abstract string builder. Okay, so this is how the string will serve. By default, it is 16. They have initialized. The capacity is 16. So those many by default characters. So how does this, when you say append once again? So let us consider. Let us go back to this class. You say 16th letter X. X is there. So now it is a 16 out of 16. So the moment it comes to 16, whether can I add another data? Can I append another data? Yes or no? We'll see. SP dot append, and we'll say okay. So now we will say SP dot to string. I want only a string of that. So will it append high or not? We'll see. Yes, it appended high. It means whenever it reaches the last character, it again extends the capacity of 16. So now, once you see that, what happened? It again extended the capacity of 16. So now the capacity will be what the capacity will be. We'll see. Huh? So SB dot capacity. Now 34 came. How 34 came? How 34 came? 32 plus this high. So now this is the way we get 30. So we copy this once more and we'll do one more example on string builder. which is helpful for you in interviews. Okay, string builder demo 2 is there. String builder demo 2, what I will do, will not implement this anything, will not do anything here. What we will do here is Java. So now, by default, what is the length capacity of string? 16. 20. Why? Because you have appended the data. So initially, before itself, you have sent some data. Plus, so by default it gives 16 and you are sending 4. So plus it is. So this is a bit tricky question. In interview, they will write like this and they will ask you, what is the answer? What is the answer? So you know that by default 16 will be there. Along with that, if you can send any text, we'll see. You can send text. Okay, fine. Now it is. But length is 4. What is occupied is 4 only. Whereas the capacity is 20. Yeah, the capacity is 20. So this point you need to remember. Clear? So and the previous point also. What is the previous point? The previous point is very important. So whenever it reaches the 16th letter, it increments 16 more capacity. So maybe that's it about the string builder. Yeah, that's what. Basically, you want to insert the particular text at particular third index. Okay. So in third index, rather than L, what happened? www. All others has been moved away. It's not removed. It's moved forward. It's moved forward. So when you say it's moved forward. So what other is there? What other method? Append we saw. Okay, substring. Substring of 3, 6. What is 3, 6? We are inserting this. So what is 3, 6? www. Whatever you insert, that particular. So we see reverse the string. We need to do a reverse of the string. Yes, there is a reverse method inside the string builder. Okay, there is a reverse method inside the string builder. That is also there. So, and once again, I was telling you, select product in Flipkart, where product name is equal to iPhone and color is equal to state rate. So how I apply it like that, I will write a query here. SQL query and append and I send to data from here. From here. So now how I apply? I'll say product name iPhone. I'll say color, say black, blue, or white, pink, red. So I can say like that. I'll apply and in such way it will be applied. So finally, what is the query? Select star from products where product name is equal to iPhone and color is equal to steady line. This was your actual query. This was your actual search. Right? This is the way we search in all the retail platforms. So that's why we need a string builder. If we don't use here string builder, if we use a string, what happens? We can't change, and every time you append, you will get a new string. So 3 strings would have been got generated here. Correct? So rather than 3 strings, we are generating now only 1 using string builder. Clear? But we will see our example also once again. So the initial capacity, this is an interview question. We need to remember for sure what is the answer for this. Okay.